Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I have a combo haul, 3 small hauls put together from Joann's, Michael's, and Tuesday Morning. So this was, let's see, I went to Joann's doing spring break. I think it was Tuesday of last week. So they had 50% off everything, and I think I had a 20% additional coupon. So I just got some Distress Ink Vintage Photo by Tim Holtz. And I think regular price was $6.99. It was on sale for $3.59, and then I think I had 20% off of that. And then I got some ephemera pack, which I think was $2.99, 50% off, and then an additional 20%. And this is a snippets. It's a 111-piece set. I got another mini blending tool again. They were $6.99, 50% off with another 20% off. 2 extra those. And then I got the bouquet. 5 bunches, and these are, you could spray and mist them different colors. So they were $4.99 and 50% 20. So that's what I got from Joann's. I went there looking for to see if they had the new punches and stuff, and I went to 3 different Joann's and none of them had them here. Joann's a little bit behind. They did have 50% off the $1.99 bin. Tuesday morning, I went to Tuesday morning on last Saturday, so I didn't even go any at all during spring break, but I just didn't have a chance to get this video up. I did get some wood veneers, and this one is $1.99, and this is what's in there: typewriter and some sentiments, bliss, happy things, wishing, dream, can't say all the other words, but anyways, 22 pieces, and the number is 1937145. You can call the product hotline, put a zip code. You can always find out if they have that item in your area. They also had the pebbles. These feel like chipboard or something. They're plastic one, but they're the photo garland kit. It's a 25-piece, $1.49. Has a string and the clips and all of the Polaroids, so you can hang them like that. And it is 1937156. So again, you can decorate these too as paint them. I got the 7 Gypsies mini keys, 9-piece sets. Thought this would be great to use on some maybe zines or ATCs or iCads or something like that. It's a mixed media, or some tags, tag books. And this is 1958479, and it's $1.99. So it's just the 9 miniature little keys. I did get this set right here, and this is what do you call it? The adhesive sheets for 99¢ by Ink and Do, and this goes to the foam mount, and it is 1939389, 4 pieces, and I got it in conjunction with this. This is a foam block for $1.99, and it's 1939386, and it's a 4x6. And I'll tell you why I got this. I don't plan on making my own stamps. I'm not that artistic, but I do own some stamps that don't have any foam backing, which is very frustrating and difficult to use, like Magnolia stamps, LDRS stamps, and they just come in that little gray, and I don't use them because it's so much trouble trying to put sticky stuff on the back, use it on the mount, and then it just doesn't press as well as you want. So I want to try it with the foam and put that on the back of some of those stamps that I have that do not have any foam backing, and see if that will give me a better impression and encourage me to use those stamps more. So I'm hoping to get another one because I actually have enough stamps that probably could fill another block of this. So hopefully I find me another one of those, and so I have 4 sheets of that, so that's great. But anyway, so that's just a suggestion. If you have any of those stamps, you can adhere it like that and do just like that. That's my goal. I did pick up a few paper pads, just 3, and they were the $1.99 paper pads that came in, and they're $1.99 because they don't have as many sheets in them. These only have 24, and compared to the ones that cost $2.99, usually have 36. Anyway, so the first one I have is Dream Big, $1.99, and it's 19547 528. And there are the prints. And I do a real quick, they're single-sided. Great for cards or just using some tags. Using that with your extra firmers, which is really what I was thinking about doing. And this one is called Hello Sunshine, and it's 1954737. Very spring floral print. You got your flamingos. So you can always use that for the summer. And this one is Take Note, and it is 1954751. Alrighty, so the last store I went to was Michael's, and this was on Saturday, so that would have been the 31st. They had the 70% off of the washi, and it was the ones that were from $4.99 to $14.99. Well, they had the sign over there. Then they also had the sign over there, but the $19.99 at the very top, they had all these new $19.99 ones, and they had the sign up there. So then they had the sign in. I grabbed some, and so I went up front. They weren't ringing up, and I said, "Well, the sign says 70% off." So he said, "I think it's just for the ones that's up to $14.99." And I said, "Well, the sign is over there with the $19.99 ones." So he went over there, and so I got each one of these 70% off. He didn't have to do it, and I didn't ask him. He came back. He said, "But I'm gonna give it to you. I took the sign down, but they're 70% off." I was like, "They're not 70% off. They were not on sale at all." But I got the $19.99 ones, and if I'd have known that, boy, I would have got more. But anyway, so it worked out. But I'm telling you which ones I did get. So I like making the mini albums, and I'm gonna be making some more baby albums. So this one is the masculine one, for a little boy. Hopefully you can see that. It's a little dark, but you can kind of see. It says handsome boy, dream big, little one. It's a boy, sweet baby boy. So some of those sentiment sailboats and stuff like that in Wales. And then, so of course I had to get the girl, baby girl. And it says, such a sweetie, dream big, little one, sweet baby girl. So yeah. I mean, pretty. So I got the boy and the girl. I'm so glad. And then I saw they had this faith one, so this Christian one, and it says, see with faith, and they got eyes, walk not by sight, which I thought was cute, and had the little eyelashes, and it has the shoes in here, and it says pray, word, gratitude, prayer, word, and gratitude, peace, and blessings, hallelujah, follows, rejoice, and worship. What else up here? Give thanks, amazing grace, hope, be kind always, be still and know, faith can move mountains, grace. So just a lot of different things. So I was really excited to get this. I'm loving that washi tape. And then I got the last one, which I thought was cute too. This is the one with the eyelashes, the ooh la la. The lashes, the glasses, and of course these match those chipboard tags that everybody was getting for the $5 buy, as well as the paper pads, which I have both. So yay, fabulous hearts, lipsticks, like I said, mascara. So I was so excited to get all of those. So these were $19.99 each. I got them for $5.99. Yay, each. So anyway, that was my kill of the week. So thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing. And guess what? I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.